dreams come bigger than life, and passions run wild in the streets.
Baby,
I'm not your baby.
One psychotic killing machine dared to reach for the stars. This holiday season, Vox Entertainment brings you the heartwarming true story of one exterminator's rise to glory. From lowly beginnings as a high school math teacher.
But baby, I'm giving these kids the gift of learning.
You're pathetic. Get out of my sight.
To spectacular success as a homicidal sports superstar.
We're rich. I love you, Reactor. I was always there for you.
Share the dream. Live the legend of Reactor.
Ratchet, I know you're busy with the fighting and the jumping and the hurting, but I have a new bot upgrade for you. My dream is to have a big comic detailing the life of Al.
All right, Dread Zone fans, prepare for the ultimate showdown as Team Darkstar fights their way through the Crusader tournament and a chance to take on All-Star Exterminator Reactor. Tonight on Dread Zone, what happens when we force the criminally insane to use strategy and planning? Let's test this Lombax's puny mental metal by taking away everything but replaced minds. Remember, don't try any of this at home. Go to a friend's house. Team Darkstar is in rare form tonight. time, Ratchet is utterly doomed. We've wired his Dread Zone collar to 4 control nodes placed throughout the arena. If he can't stop that countdown in time, the whole audience gets a fresh serving of Lombax pate. Ratchet was a tough cookie. What kind of cookie would he be? I'm gonna go with Snickerdoodle.
This creature is clearly much too dangerous to be set free. He must be destroyed.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's Reactor!
Ratchet, you look like a squirrel wrapped in tinfoil. I'm gonna take my time taking you apart. Gonna give my fans their money's worth. And try not to go crying or anything, all right? I want this to look good for the camera.
Bring it.
This is my house. Hero? Ah! Hero, my tin butt!
This is more fun than a busload of cheerleaders. Please welcome our new Crusader!
You have now unlocked the Valix Belt campaign.